Yeah, do it. Go in there too, okay? Push, push, push. That's right. Go ahead. You are doing so super, Wesley. This is going to be your thing. We're going to vacuum. Are you all done now? You did super, Wesley. Yeah, tell Mommy. Vacuum. Okay. That's a boy. You got it down, don't you? That's right. Pick it up. You're doing super, Wesley. Yeah. Yes.